Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm going to show you guys how I designed my credit cards, my business credit cards. So I'm going to go to the App Store. I'm going to type in PicsArt. PicsArt is what I use to create pretty much everything. So as you can see, it's number 4, it's 4.7 stars, over 200,000 ratings. So after you download that, you just want to open that up. Then you want to go down and hit this plus right here. So depending on what color you want your cards to be, that would be the color background that you choose. So I'm just going to choose pink, for example. There is a way to crop this. Let's see. I'm going to go to tools. I'm going to go to resize. Not going to go to resize. Maybe crop. And I'm going to choose 16 by 19 or 3 by 2. I'm going to go with 16 by 19. Hit apply so it's more rectangle. I'm going to type your name however you would like. So let's just say I'm going to do my name. I'm going to do Maurice Cosmetics. Then I'm just going to put that in the corner. I'm going to change the font. Let's see. So just however I want it. So I'm just going to leave it. I don't know. There's a lot you can do with this. But I'm just going to do something basic for now. So let's see. I kind of like this. Let's just leave it white. Okay. So let's say I wanted to add the chip design. So I'm just going to go to sticker. So I'm going to hit this design right here. And there it is. Now I'll just make it small. Or whatever. Place it wherever I want it to go. So these are embossed numbers, as in they're like the numbers are 3D. So you can feel each individual number. and it has this stuff on the back. It's the numbers basically. So it says follow us on our social media at Marisa Cosmetics, Best Clear Lip Gloss, contact us at our email, and then my website. Again, this is the front of the card. So yeah, if you want embossed numbers, you can just tell them, or otherwise they won't do it. But yeah guys, these cards cost me, let's see, $115 or 500. So it wasn't too high at all. I really like these cards. These are plastic cards. You can get the black strip at the top if you want to. You just have to ask them to. But yeah, some of these cards kind of didn't look as clean as others, and I told them that I wanted different numbers, or they automatically have them in like the regular order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. I did not want that. And each card does have a different number. Like these two numbers are different. So as you can see, it goes down in order. So like 9, 5, 9, 4. Then it has 9, 3, 9, 2. So yeah, it's just different. It'll just be like a different order. So yeah guys, this is again what they look like. And here's the back. So these are some pretty good cards. They don't feel cheap. They feel nice and sturdy. They bend a little bit, but of course they're plastic. They're supposed to bend. But I really like these cards. I really recommend them. Again, I got 500 cards. And like I said before, they each have a different number. The last 2 digits are different numbers. The rest of the numbers are the same. But they are some really good cards. I really do like them. So again, don't forget to follow us on our social media at Marisa Cosmetics on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to check out our website, MarisaCosmetics.com. So like, you can make them however you want to. This is just how I made my credit card style business cards. I thought these were really, really cute. I still do have the regular cards, but I don't use those since I have so many of these. So yeah, for 500, it'll be $115. It'll be extra $20 if you want that magnetic strip at the top, but I don't recommend getting your cards in black. If you're going to get the strip, get it in a different color so you can actually see the strip. Again, these numbers are 3D. You can feel each individual number, which is pretty good. They're pretty sturdy. And yet they are plastic. For 1,000, I think it's like, I don't know, $20 more. It's not that much more. So they really want you to get the 1,000 for like $130, $135 or $140. But I was trying to ball on a budget. Plus, I don't need no 1,000 business cards. So I thought 500 was good enough for me. So that is what I got. But feel free to get as many as you like. So again, I got 500. So I have 3 of these really big boxes. And oh, and these cards are really, really heavy. As you can see, this is just a sample of them. So yeah, I have a lot of these cards. So I can include them in every order. I don't pass out these cards. I would pass out my regular business cards, like the paper ones, but I could pass these out if I really wanted to. It just depends. But yeah, guys, so if you like these credit card style business cards, don't forget to hit the link in the description. I will link the seller that I bought them from. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, do you like these or do you hate them? This is not a real chip. This is like just a design that was in the card. But yeah, I recommend if you're getting them, make sure your colors are nice and dark. These colors are a tad too light for me. So they're not hard to see, but I'll let them be more visible. Don't have any small writing like I did right here because it's very hard to even see that, as you can see. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.